ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ o ara aláàjì Táíwò Hasani Ògògó onitiata kò yá o àwọn ọmọ gbajúmọ̀ ńlá nínú iṣẹ́ sinimá yìí ni wọ́n jáde o wọ́n ní àìsàn kansa ìyẹn jẹjẹrẹ ló ń bá bàbá àwọn fínra àti pé gbogbo ọsibítù táwọn ti gbé bàbá òun dé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ kò fi àwọn lọ́kàn balẹ̀ rárá o bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn ọmọ yìí tẹnumọ́ pé àwọn kò tọrọ owó o ṣùgbọ́n ìgbàlà yín bàbá àwọn ni ó jẹ àwọn lógún gidigidi lásìkò yìí báwo lọ̀rọ̀ ó ṣe jẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ lẹ́nu wọn.
Hello everyone. I'm here for my daddy. He has cancer and is stage 4. Hospital is saying that they cannot treat him again, like they can't give him chemo again. So please, we are not here to beg for money. And I really love to appreciate Senator. Yeah, he has been the one helping us, has been the one footing the bills. It's still, even what I'm here for, Gongo, is that if you can treat my daddy, if you can start chemo for him, whether it's medical or the or herbs, ibile, enjoy to your my daddy doesn't want to die. I don't want my daddy isn't it. He's not happy. Please. If you know anybody that can treat me, be like me or medical way, enjoy to your love. Am I giving the guys? Please, I'm begging you, any help, anything, anybody that you know that can treat cancer, please, I'm begging you. That is my soul. He said, yeah. Please, you can send me a DM or my sister, or even his own DM. My sister will be able to get through to his phone. Please, if you can treat my daddy, please send me a DM. I'll be checking my phone. Please, I don't want my daddy to die. Please. God give me this one. There's no money, but if you know anybody that can treat my daddy, Joe, please. He's saying that he doesn't want to die. Please, I've never seen my daddy like in pain before. I'm not even around. Please, Joe, to your love.
tẹ́ ò bá gbàgbé ní nǹkan bíi ọdún mélòó kan sẹ́yìn láìsàn nílákọlù àgbà òṣèré yìí tí Ọlọ́run sì padà kó o yọ àdúrà tiwa ni pé ikú kan báyìí kò ní pa Ògògó àmọ́ kú lódò.
Hello everybody, good evening. I meant to ask for help for my daddy. He has cancer and it's really bad. And the hospitals are refusing to treat him. At least, please, give this man a chance. Nobody wants to do anything. We're not yet asked for money. Nobody's asking for money, but please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that can help. This man has a strong will to live. You see him, you can't even know that something is wrong that bad. It's just starting to show. We didn't even know until like 3 weeks ago. So please, I'm begging you. If you know somebody that knows somebody that will be willing to treat him, anything, we're willing to try anything. Please, we're not here to ask for money. Nobody's here to ask for money. My big uncle has helped. Yeah, he has been of great help. Like, nobody even knew that he would show up for us this way. But if he's willing to do anything, but please, if you know somebody that knows somebody that will be willing to treat him, would really appreciate it. Please. I can't watch my daddy die. I can't